Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're drawing a parakeet, so let's get started. To draw this cute bird, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, I'm going to, since they're big enough, I'm just going to try my best here to put in two highlights to make them draw so cute eyes, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So my eye's in, I'm going to go ahead above each eye, draw a soft curve, and then in between the eyes we need to draw the beak. So it's kind of like drawing this long heart shape, but let's break it up. Let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve right in between the eyes, and then we're going to bring it down to a point and connect our beak. And then at the top right here, find your center. So let's say about right here, and draw a curve to connect. So same thing over here. So if you look at it, it kind of looks like a heart, right? And then we need to put in two little dots right here for details. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the head shape. So I'm going to use the center of my eye and come out to say about this much. Same thing on the other side. And from there, let's go ahead and draw this curve that's slanting in over the head right here. So over the eyes, and then let's go ahead, go up, nice and round and smooth for our parakeet. So maybe say about right here, and bring it down. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's bring this down. And as I come right here, I'm just kind of trying to dip it in a little bit and then flare it out. It's not necessary, but it's just a little detail, and then you can flare it out a little bit. Just to give it a little bit more shape. So let's say about right there, I'll stop, and let's come back to the center, and then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this curve about right here, maybe 3 of them, and connect. So same thing here. And connect. There. And then from there we can continue. So we're just going to come out. Same thing here. Bring this in a little bit more. Just taper it in. Then we're just going to draw this curve and then bring it down. It's just like drawing a pear, isn't it? And then bring it in to about right there. There, we're drawing this big pear. And then towards the bottom, just kind of flatten it out. There. Okay, so now that we have that, before I forget, we need to come back here and put in some details. So let's say about right here, I'll just put 1 dot, slightly bigger, and then a longer dot right here for some details. just so that we can get into details for our parakeet. And of course, when you're coloring, you can put in the parakeet patterns, but there's some variety, so it's all up to you when you're coloring. And right about here, I put in a wing, and same thing here on both sides. And then right at the bottom, let's say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw maybe just two of these U's right underneath. So just want it centered, so right here. There. And then we can put either a branch or a stick going through. So it depends on if your parakeet is an indoor parakeet or outdoor. There. So I'll just end it like that. And of course we need to draw a tail. So let's come right about here. And give it a little curve. Curve and then a longer one. There, just for some detail. And let's see here, what else are we missing? Oh, of course, we need to put a heart. That's pretty much it for my drawing here of this super cute, sweet bird. I really hope this brought a smile to your day and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.